In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI agent which can improve over time by itself. So let me show you this diagram to explain what I meant. So first of all, this is a client, okay, or a lead who contacts my customer support agent, which is built on n8n platform, by the way. And then he can answer basic questions or whatever with whatever knowledge that he has. But if there is some question which he cannot answer, he will put that information into a Google Sheet, okay? And in that Google Sheet, if I get a new question, this is me, by the way. If there's a new question, it will go and notify me so that I can go to that Google Sheet and answer that question. And once I answer, another AI agent will get that information, and then it will teach this customer agent with whatever answer I provided. So this way, the customer agent will always learn over time. I want to be able to give my answers because yes, customer agents can learn by itself, but it will not be genuine. I need specific information to be taught for this customer agent. Okay, now let me show you how I'm doing this. So I have this workflow in n8n. You can download, by the way, this workflow from my free school community here. So what it does is I have other blog in my own native language where I also teach this n8n automation thing. And a lot of the times there are new questions that I didn't consider, I didn't take into consideration using when I was designing the AI agent. So all those new questions are being inserted into this Google Sheet. As you can see, I have a lot of different questions, and also I'm storing the contact ID of the person so that I can answer later. So it's been collecting a lot of information. To be honest, I didn't have time to answer these questions, but once I answer, another AI agent will be triggered and it will go ahead and update this expression, this system message of this agent. You can do it by an API, and n8n has API. So let me demonstrate step by step what this automation does. By the way, this is automation is working for my ManyChat account. So maybe you know, doesn't matter which CRM you have, most probably it will have API as this ManyChat CRM does. So whenever I receive a message into CRM, I send it to this webhook and an n8n. Okay, I hope you're catching up. If you don't understand, maybe you need basics of n8n. So it will receive these messages into my webhook. Okay, then I will set some parameters. Let me open by one. So this is my webhook, and then next step is to initialize these variables. Text is just a text message which user sent. Contact ID is the contact ID in ManyChat of the user, so that I store this variable so that I can answer the question later on in this last note. So if condition is just for checking if the message is this start message, because in Telegram, if you don't know, this is the first initial message that user sends whenever he starts your bot, Telegram bot. I'll just, for this start message, I just sent a default hi message. So in my own language, it says this Salem means hi. Okay, this is for that. Then next stage is our AI agent. What does AI agent do? He has this OpenAI model as well as database for storing the chat history. So what this AI agent do? It has a lot of knowledge base that I gave to him about my education, my courses, my services and stuff like that. A lot of text, okay? But still, this text doesn't doesn't take into consideration all the questions, all possible questions. And that's what I'm doing in this video. Whenever there is a question that is not covered in this text, my other agent will go ahead and update this workflow with the new instructions. He will just add to the end, like question, okay? So my new question, and then answer like this. It will be updating this so that our agent always knows what to answer. Okay, you may answer, you may say, oh, this will, like this message will be, you will exceed the limitation. I'm not worried about that because this token size, expression size is more than enough for me. But if you have a large knowledge base, like a lot of documents, of course you need to use RAC for that. But for me, for small businesses, this is more than enough. Okay, so that's agent 1 and agent 2. What does agent 2 does? It does only one thing. It will check, you see, your goal is to check the input message. Input message, it means the message that he received from the first agent. Check the input message. If the message says that the information was not found, or he cannot answer the question, or Azat will reply later, like me, then you need to run the Google Sheet tool. So basically, if agent doesn't know the answer, he will check, he will understand this, and then insert this new question to the Google Sheet. Because if this agent cannot answer, it means that he doesn't have this information in knowledge base. That's why you need to put it into Google Sheet. So this is what it does. And then in the next stage, in the next step, I just initialize the answer, and then I sanitize output because sometimes AI agent gives the output in a format which JSON doesn't understand. I mean, it's not compliant per JSON's rules, JSON format rules. That's why I need to make sure that the output I convert it to a safe message, and then I just send this message using ManyChat's API to the customer. I sent, as you can see, I have subscriber ID, and then I send this message to ManyChat. This is how I collect new messages and answer messages. And let me show you my diagram again. So we covered this part. Now you may say, where is the continuation? How do we like create that agent? I'm going to create that continuation, so that I'm going to create that agent which will be triggered as soon as I answer, and I will be showing you this on my channel, so stay tuned. But I hope you got the idea, because this is how you can create self-improving agents. You got the idea, save all the unanswered questions to Google Sheet, then have another bot here which will notify you about new questions, and once you answer those questions, have a third agent which will go ahead and update the system message of the first agent. That's it. That's how you have this indefinite circle of improvement and education for your agent. I hope this video was clear. If you don't understand, ask questions in the comments below. I remind you, you can download this workflow and a template from my Skool community. Go ahead and join it, ask questions, involve, and that's basically it. Stay tuned, subscribe, and see you in the next video.